How to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. And then in the search bar, search for fortnite.com/VBucks card. It will land you on this page. Over here it says, redeem your V-Bucks card. Click on get started. Well, in this section, it says enter your code. So simply enter the code that you want to redeem. Once you have entered the code, click on next. Now you have to select the device that you are using. Let me select PC. Well, it will show you the summary of your redeeming code. Check your Epic account, devices, your V-Bucks balance, and V-Bucks card amount. Once you are done checking, click on confirm at the bottom. Once you click on confirm, the code will be redeemed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.